The Tide Tamer Swinger 1500 PWC Lift isn't just a lift, it's a game changer for jet ski owners. Designed for personal watercraft up to 1,500 pounds, this lift provides effortless operation and superior protection for your investment. Unlike traditional lifts, the Swinger 1500 keeps your entire lift out of the water when raised, helping to prevent barnacles, corrosion, and electrolysis. A must-have feature for saltwater environments. But what truly sets the Swinger 1500 apart is its 180-degree rotating design. The first lift of its kind, this original rotating lift allows you to swing your PWC over the dock, providing safe, easy access for maintenance, cleaning, or simply putting on a cover, without having to stretch or balance awkwardly over the water. Plus, installation is simple and straightforward. Whether you're mounting it to a piling, dock, or seawall, the Swinger 1500 is designed for easy setup with minimal hassle, so you can spend less time installing and more time on the water. With a rugged aluminum build, smooth swivel action, and the ability to accommodate PWCs up to 78 inches wide and 192 inches long, the Swinger 1500 is built for durability and convenience. Holds PWCs up to 1,500 pounds. Supports PWCs up to 78 inches wide and 192 inches long. 180-degree rotation for easy maintenance and access. Made of marine-grade aluminum to prevent rust. Installation options: mount on a pile or dock or concrete seawall with a right or left-hand swing. Choose from a manual winch, electric belt drive, or direct drive hoist. Optional upgrades include aluminum bunks, a remote, and an extended mast for additional travel length. Easy to set up and install. See some of our other videos. Warranty coverage includes a 10-year warranty on the aluminum structure, 5-year warranty on drive units, 1-year warranty on electrical components. Upgrade your dock with the reliability and ease of the Tide Tamer Swinger 1500, because protecting your PWC should be as simple as enjoying it.